what's up, y'all? This is Brianna Nicole, LuxeBri Nicole. I am the CEO of Allure Line. So for today's video, I'm just gonna be showing y'all my new inventory that I got in. I mean, you already know I'm rocking the lashes, the goddess necklace, and the mini sparkle. Y'all already know. Y'all gonna see these pieces. Oh, also I got the LV Louis Vuitton bracelet. Oh baby, check out that. You see that? Yeah, LV. All right, so I don't want to make this intro too long, but y'all just gonna see the drip. All right, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Everything is gonna be in the description below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, family. If you don't got no family, if you don't got no friends, and you just got a dog, girl, share with your dog, okay? Let's get it. Alright guys, thank you for sticking with me throughout the whole video. If you seen something that you liked, check out my website. Now, all of these pieces aren't on the website yet, like, you know, these pants and the white sweatsuit. But girl, if you seen something that you like or you wanted to give for somebody, even if you a man, you know, and you seen something for your girl that you like, go ahead and get her that. All right, but like I said, make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see y'all in my next video.